Greetings everyone and welcome to Mighty Line Minute. I'm Dave and today we'll be discussing predictive maintenance. Specifically how infrared thermography helps us identify electrical failures before they happen. In my years working in industrial settings, one thing's always stood out. Electrical equipment failures often lead to devastating fires. Whether in manufacturing plants, distribution centers, or high-rise buildings, many of these fires share the same trait. They're preventable. When we understand how electrical failures develop, we can take proactive steps to stop costly fires before they start. Let me share a quick story. A neighbor once told me his circuit breaker kept tripping. When the electrician opened the panel, they found it packed with tandem half-size breakers crammed in to add more circuits. The result? 2 of those breakers had overheated so badly that their sidewalls melted right through, creating a serious fire hazard. Here's the key point. Only specific brands and models of breakers are UL listed for tandem use. If a panel is filled with non-compliant breakers, it's not just a code violation, it's dangerous. That's why it takes a qualified electrician to evaluate and correct the problem, eliminating the risks of overheating and fire. Now let's move from homes to industrial settings. Warehouses, factories, and commercial buildings carry massive electrical loads every single day. And with that comes risk. Overloaded breakers, loose connections, aluminum wiring failures, motors that overheat, or bearings and seals that wear down. Sometimes the surprises are stranger, like animal nests hidden inside distribution equipment. The bigger concern? In many facilities, the electrical system hasn't been updated to meet today's demands, or worse, it's never been inspected at all. This is where predictive maintenance comes in, specifically infrared thermographic scanning, or IR scanning. Picture this scenario. An electrician holds up an infrared camera to a live panel. Instantly, the screen lights up with heat signatures, showing exactly where the trouble is. Loose connections, overloaded circuits, failing motors, insulation breaking down, it's all visible. That's the real power of infrared technology. It spots problems early, long before they turn into disasters. And the benefits really add up. IR can detect electrical and mechanical faults before failure. Catching issues early means avoiding costly, unexpected downtime. It can predict refractory failures, pinpoint energy losses, or roofing problems with surprising accuracy, and best of all, deliver instantaneous results. In the end, that means saving serious money by preventing outages, business interruptions, and emergency repairs. Infrared scanning is a diagnostic tool that makes the invisible visible. Nearly everything that uses or transmits power heats up before it fails, and thermography captures those early warnings. A strong infrared inspection program doesn't just find problems, it measures them with precise, non-contact temperature readings. Each issue is documented in a clear report, giving operators straightforward guidance on what needs attention. Fixing a loose connection today could mean the difference between a simple repair or a major shutdown, or even preventing a fire tomorrow. The beauty of IR scanning is that it's non-contact and non-destructive, so equipment keeps running during the inspection. Using advanced cameras, certified thermographers can uncover hidden issues in electrical, mechanical, and structural systems, even in the toughest environments. The payoff is simple: less downtime, greater safety, and improved energy efficiency. Infrared scanning is now a trusted tool across industries: manufacturing, distribution, energy, property management, and more. It's even finding new uses in areas like security monitoring and scientific research, where high-resolution thermal imaging delivers real-time insights. So here's the bottom line. If your operation isn't already using IR scanning in its preventive maintenance program, now's the time to start. Run pilot inspections at 2 or 3 facilities and see the results for yourself. Chances are that the insights will be so valuable that you'll want to roll it out everywhere. At the end of the day, specific knowledge of hazards and risks is what helps prevent fires, protect assets, and keep people safe. And infrared thermography gives you that knowledge before a problem leads to loss or disaster. Thanks for taking time with us today on Mighty Line Minute. In addition to instituting your IR scanning programs for electrical safety, take a moment to visit us at mightylinetape.com. There, you'll find peace of mind knowing that the only durable stripe, Mighty Line, is available to enhance your warehouse or manufacturing operations floor striping, aisleways, product delineation, and floor signage. Have a safe day.